What's up, guys? So today we've got the KEMiMOTO rear view mirror. It's got these two aluminum clamps that are fully adjustable via this plastic wing nut. And I believe it looks like it's stainless, and this must be stainless too. So got a pretty sturdy construction. We've got a nice convex mirror here, so you get a good, it's kind of curved out this way and then it's curved this way too, so you can see a wide range kind of behind you. So that'll be really nice, and it's fully adjustable. As you can see, these move, and I'll show you in the rest of the video too. But yeah, so then these just simply undo like this. You've got this little rubber washer, steel washer, and then your wing nut, and then this nice clamp with your slot here so that you can move it all directions and get all sorts of angles you want to adjust. So it's kind of nice for if you have to put the mount like this or like this, wherever you can get to these Allen head bolts or socket cap bolts. So that works really nice, and this is a 1.75 bar mount. Probably try and put it on my turbo, but it will be hard because I have an SSV stereo, which I don't think will allow me to have these clamps in the way. So we're gonna have to figure something out with that. But I really like this mirror. It's good sturdy steel construction, strong. It's got this rubber seal on the outside too, so I think you could maybe replace the mirror, hard to say. But yeah, overall pretty good design, and I like how it's fully adjustable with the slot, so you can pull it in and out and go all directions, up and down, get different heights. So it should work for most, if not every machine. Awesome, thanks for checking out the video, and we'll go to the install now.